Matt Reeves' upcoming solo Cape Crusader film, The Batman, starring Robert Pattinson, is expected to finally wrap production in March. Reeves took over as director and writer from former Batman Ben Affleck after the star decided to quit the role following personal struggles. Robert Pattinson was hired to take over the role in a movie that Reeves has described as covering the time following Bruce Wayne's first year as Batman, but before he becomes established as a major vigilante in Gotham. Pattinson will become the DC primary cinematic Batman, even though he is not the part of the wider DC extended universe. Both Affleck and fellow former Batman Michael Keaton are returning for The Flash, which will introduce the DC multiverse. Production on the movie began on January 27, 2020, a year ago now, but was interrupted in March by the coronavirus pandemic. Production only started again in late summers in UK and was again interrupted when Pattinson returned a positive COVID test. Since then, the movie has had no reports of break in filming and was allowed to continue production in UK despite the current strict lockdown in the nation. Now, a report from Britain's Screen Daily says that production on The Batman is finally close to wrapping. According to the report, Warner Brothers has confirmed that the movie is on schedule to wrap by March, almost 14 months after the production started. This timeline is obviously dependent on the production remaining COVID-free. Recent on-set positives have been few and far between across the entire industry, so the chances of the Batman staying on schedule are high. That gives the crew a full year to work on post-production ahead of the movie's current release date of March 4, 2020. With the finish line in sight, cast and crew must be looking forward to the completion of production after more than a year on The Batman. That included a long break, but the production must have still felt like a marathon, revealing the production length of the movie like Peter Jackson's Lord of the Rings trilogy. As for the movie's release, hopefully the world will have returned to normal by March 2020, allowing The Batman to get a traditional theater release. If not as Warner Brothers movie, it could suffer the same fate as fellow DC films like The Suicide Squad. The Suicide Squad is getting a same-day release on HBO Max. That will hopefully not be the case as the Batman's teaser trailer released by the Reeves last year made it clear this is a superhero epic that needs to be seen in the theaters.